This is a short video about a Ford Explorer 2000 that had a flooded rear light. Flooded, I mean, it was half full of rainwater. Anyway, as you can see from the image I'm showing, it's not that difficult to remove the rear light. There's just two screws on the top, and the bottom kind of snaps out. There's a locating pin on it when you have to put it back, as you can see. Once I had the light off, I was able to unscrew the bulbs and test them, and they were in good condition, so there was nothing wrong with them, so I could reuse them. That's when I noticed that little crack right about in the middle of the left side of that enclosed plastic structure. It probably wouldn't have happened had Ford had a protective shield around that area. It kind of sticks out a little bit. Somebody must have been trying to put something large in the back trunk area and just bumped it a little bit, enough to crack it, and that's where all the water came in from. So after emptying all the water out, what I did is drilled a couple of small 1/8-inch holes in the bottom in case in the future there was another crack I didn't find. But anyway, the one that existed, I just sealed it up with some silicone, and that should do it. It's been working fine on the car now. Reinstall it the same way you basically took it off. Just push the pins on the bottom, and the top has two screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Visit us at LarryandJane.com and check out my latest book, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges. It's available from Amazon. It's great reading. Thank you. And there's also NAVSEA. You'll like that too, about all the screw-ups that the Navy does. Thank you for watching again.